Ayon sa kapatid na babae ni Bruce Lee na si Phoebe Lee, hindi marunong lumangoy si Bruce Lee. Ayon sa kanyang kwento, noong mga bata pa sila, si Bruce Lee ay mahilig magbiro sa kanila. Ito ang lagi niyang ginagawang katuwaan sa kanyang mga kapatid. Ayon mismo kay Robert Lee na bunsong kapatid na lalaki nila Bruce Lee, mahilig mag-prank si Bruce Lee. Minsan nag-swimming ang pamilya nila Bruce Lee, mga bata pa sila noon at nasa edad na 12 anyos si Bruce Lee noon. Sadyang makulit at palabiro si Bruce Lee sa mga kapatid niya. Kaya naman etong si Phoebe Lee ay niyaya na lumangoy si Bruce Lee. Sinabi ni Phoebe Lee kay Bruce Lee na mababaw lang ang tubig. Sinob-sob niya si Lee pailalim sa tubig. Nagpapalag si Bruce at nang makawala ay galit na kinumpronte ni Lee si Phoebe at nakita ito ng kanilang mother at inawat si Bruce Lee at sinabing wag ibubuli ang kapatid niya.
She would push him underwater.
No, because I was playing.
Really dumb.
It was like teasing people, teasing, and he teased me all the time. And then I want to rent it when people play all the way. And I said, the water is very shallow. It's not too deep. I said, you come, let's come, and you come also with Alain.
I drive it. Yes,
okay.
chauffeur.
And then I could swim. My sister and Peter and I put him under the water. He was throwing under the water. He beat me up, chasing me. My mother said, "No, don't bully your sister." Until now, I still remember. He was a very hot boy. I think it's 12 years.
Nang tanungin ang magkapatid na sina Phoebe Lee at Robert Lee kung natutuwa bang lumangoy si Bruce Lee, eto ang sagot nila.
No. Mother, I remember mother taught him in a Chico. Swimming.
Ilan lamang yan sa mga kwento ng buhay ni Bruce Lee na ang ilan ay ngayon lamang natin nalalaman.